Welcome. This is Dean Harrington with Sales Outlook, and it's my pleasure to provide you with this brief tour of Sales Outlook. I will begin with a very brief introduction of who we are and how we can help, and then I'll provide you with a system demonstration of our flagship CRM product called Sales Outlook. Since 1998, Sales Outlook has pioneered the use of Microsoft Outlook, Microsoft Exchange Server, and Microsoft SharePoint as the underlying technology platforms for a complete CRM system. We are a certified Microsoft solutions provider that is exclusively focused on providing our client organizations of all sizes and all industries with a very broad portfolio of CRM solutions. What you can see here on this slide is just a sampling of some of our clients. As you can see, we are in virtually all industry segments all across the U.S. and around the world. We are currently supporting more than 8,000 users with more than 450 client companies. And all of the solutions that we provide to our clients can be lumped into these three logical categories. Sales Outlook has been designed to be fully customized to meet the unique needs of any organization. The Sales Outlook system is the very first CRM system that was designed to be 100% inside of Microsoft Outlook, Exchange, and SharePoint. Our broad portfolio of CRM solutions are logically grouped into these three categories. First, our marketing automation solutions help motivated marketers create demand and generate well-qualified leads for the sales team. Our sales management solutions help the sales team more effectively manage the pipeline and win more deals. For our advanced customer support solutions, we help client companies more effectively implement their solutions and expand their customer relationships. With that as a brief overview of who we are and how we can help, I am now going to shift over to share my entire desktop and provide you with a brief tour of the CRM product called Sales Outlook. First thing that you'll notice when your screen refreshes is that as you take a look at my Outlook system, that we have this toolbar off to the far left, and we also have a toolbar at the top. These navigation bars provide a very intuitive user interface. So no matter where you are within Outlook or where you are within Sales Outlook, you can always look to those navigation bars to help you navigate the system. Now I'll kind of provide you with a brief overview of the core modules of Sales Outlook and some of the key functionality. First, we have the Accounts module. Sales Outlook has been designed to be very account-centric. That means all contacts and opportunities and other customer-related information like customer service inquiries all roll up to the account level. We also have the module for the contacts. Those are all the specific people that you work with. So you might have multiple specific people that you work with at each one of your accounts. You also might have multiple opportunities within a specific account over the course of the lifetime of that customer relationship. We have another folder for leads if you happen to go to trade shows or purchase leads or lists and engage in any kind of email marketing programs and campaigns. All the leads can be kept into this folder until those leads are pre-qualified and then transferred to the production database as accounts, contacts, and opportunities. We have a very robust reporting module with more than 60 standard reports. All of the reports are fully customized. All of the screens and fields and pick lists within Sales Outlook are fully customizable, and therefore the reports need to be fully customized to reflect any new fields you might add to the system. We also have some search functionality, and as I mentioned, we're fully integrated with SharePoint. Up here on the top toolbar, you can see we have this pick list here, so it's very easy to add new items to the system. You might want to add a new lead when you're at a trade show. You might want to add new accounts, new opportunities, and so forth. So it's very easy to just find that capability and add new functionality. So as I click on accounts, what you'll see that pops up here is a Rolodex card for all of the accounts in the database. And what you might do is just type in the first 3 or 4 letters of any one of your account records, and that'll take you right to it. Then you would double click on the Rolodex card, and that would immediately bring up the account profile screen for that account record. And what you can see on this particular screen are all of the key modules all rolling up to the account level. As I had mentioned, everything is very account-centric within Sales Outlook. So this top portion of the screen has all of the standard profile information regarding your accounts that you do business with. So all the key account information. You can also assign accounts to dedicated sales professionals and other members of your sales team, perhaps sales engineers or professional services team members and so forth. You have all of these fields are fully customizable, and all of the fields and tabs and pick lists on these tabs are all fully customizable. All of the pick list values can be custom tailored to reflect the unique needs of your organization. So as you take a look at the rest of this screen, you'll see that all of your contacts are listed in the Rolodex cards on the upper left-hand quadrant. On the lower left-hand quadrant, you would have a listing of all of the specific opportunities that you have that are either active, pending, or closed and won or lost in the past with that account. Up here in the top right-hand quadrant, you would also have a chronological history of all the interactions that you have had at this account. So all of the emails that you send to them, all the emails they send to you are automatically saved at the contact level within Sales Outlook, and then of course everything rolls up to the account level. Down here in this lower right-hand portion of the screen, you would have a listing of all the customer service inquiries. So as I pull up a contact profile record, you would just double-click on that Rolodex card for that record. And once again, you'll see a screen that's very familiar and very customizable. Looks a lot like Outlook. So we have all of the standard fields here for a contact profile record. So all the name, address, phone numbers, and other kinds of information that might be relevant for your particular organization. This area at the lower portion of the screen is reserved for a chronological history of all the interactions that you might have going on back and forth with this particular individual named Mike Greenberg. So whenever you send an email to Mike Greenberg, it's automatically saved right here in the contact level, and of course it rolls up to the account level. Whenever Mike Greenberg sends you an email, it's automatically saved at his contact record. Even after you have deleted it from your own inbox, it's still saved at the contact level within the database. Now the opportunities are down here in this lower left-hand quadrant. And when you bring up one of the opportunity profile screens, you'll see once again we have a wide variety of data elements here that all can be fully customized to meet the needs of any given customer. In fact, we have a series of stages for the various sales processes, and the names and the number of these stages are fully customizable. And the data elements can also be added, and all the field and pick list items can be added to the system that would enable you to produce pipeline and forecasting reports. So you would have the deal size, the probability for closing, and any other relevant data information at the opportunity level. Once you have won an opportunity and it's closed won, you could quickly convert this to a project in the event that you have the type of solution that needs to be either installed or implemented after you have won a new deal. So then you would have multiple various stages in the process for your projects. You also might have certain contacts at the account level that are particularly related to any specific opportunity. And once again, there is assignment for various team members that you want to collaborate with on the virtual account team or virtual sales team. All of this area, once again, down at the lower portion of the screen is being reserved for all of the interactions, quotes, proposals, and other documents that are going to relate to that opportunity. And whenever you want to add a new one, you just click on this little push pin up here in the top left corner, and it would enable you to add new items, add new emails and quotes and proposals. So with that, as a quick and brief overview of Sales Outlook, I want to once again welcome you to our website for additional information regarding Sales Outlook and for customized pricing proposals, a personalized demonstration, and even a free trial of 14 days to take Sales Outlook for a test drive. We certainly welcome and invite you to contact us. You can email us at info@salesoutlook.com. Again, that's info@salesoutlook.com. Once again, thank you for stopping by to